Looking for the perfect way to style your home this Christmas? Imagine merging the cozy charm of Scandinavian minimalism with 2024's hottest Christmas decor trends. Today, I'll show you how to create a festive, stylish space that's both timeless and trendy. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes Scandinavian design so magical, especially for the holiday season. Scandinavian style is all about simplicity, functionality, and coziness, or as they say, hygge. Think warm throws, natural wood accents, muted tones, and soft lighting. It's the perfect foundation for a holiday look that feels modern, yet timeless. Now, let's sprinkle in some 2024 magic. This year's Christmas decor trends focus on earthy tones like sage green and terracotta, paired with frosted whites and metallic finishes like brass and gold. These colors perfectly complement the minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic, creating a harmonious and chic holiday vibe. Pro tip: pair frosted white garlands with gold candle holders to add a touch of elegance. Want to make your decor more personal? Let's get crafty. Scandinavian Christmas ornaments are all about natural materials, wood, twine, and simple designs. Here's an easy DIY idea. Use wooden slices to create rustic ornaments. Add a snowflake design with white paint, or keep it simple with just a touch of glitter. Now, let's talk about the centerpiece of your holiday decor, the Christmas tree. For a Scandinavian-inspired look, focus on minimalism, use neutral-colored ornaments, wooden decorations, and soft fairy lights. To stay true to the theme, skip the tinsel and go for natural elements like dried orange slices or cinnamon sticks for an eco-friendly touch. And don't forget a simple, elegant tree topper. A star made from twigs or metal is the perfect Scandinavian finish. Let's create some cozy Christmas corners. This is where the magic of hygge truly shines. Add a soft throw blanket to your sofa, place a few candles on a wooden tray, and layer in some festive touches like a eucalyptus wreath or pine cones. These little corners make your space feel warm, inviting, and full of holiday cheer. Decorating for Christmas doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some budget-friendly tips to get the Scandinavian look. Tip 1. Repurpose items you already have, like using white bed sheets as a tree skirt. Tip 2. Shop secondhand for vintage decor pieces. Tip 3. Get creative with nature. Pine cones, twigs, and even dried flowers can make beautiful, free decorations. A bowl of pine cones sprayed with white paint can double as a centerpiece. And there you have it, a perfect blend of Scandinavian minimalism and 2024 Christmas decor trends. Your home is now a festive haven filled with warmth, style, and joy. Whether you're hosting a holiday party or enjoying a quiet night in, this decor will make the season unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring ideas. Happy holidays.